What's up, Yon World? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sell Yeezys online. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, we about to get straight into it. I'm making this video to help y'all make some money online. New Yeezys about to drop all summer, all fall, all winter, and if you wanna be a part of this, drop and get some money, some extra money, I'm gonna show y'all my method, teach y'all how to do this. Now, you don't know your boy Yon World. I make money on the internet. I make money through YouTube. I make money through different websites. I make money through my music. But one of the things I did to make money, it was a couple years back, like when the Yeezys first dropped, when like the black Yeezys first dropped. I had one of them, so I did a lot of research, and you go online, you go on social media, you see a lot of people reselling the shoes. So I wanted to know where to get the shoes from. So come to find out, a lot of resellers that you see on social media, that you see at boutiques and everything to get the Yeezys, they got UA shoes. And what is a UA shoe? A UA shoe is an unauthorized authentic, meaning that the shoe got all of the same material that's made with the original Yeezy, but it's just not shipped by Adidas. And if you've been a part of any Yeezy drop, you know Yeezy sell out in fucking hours. Like it'll be gone if you not up on it within the first couple hours. So what I want to teach y'all is, like, when y'all see those pictures where people got shoe boxes stacked, all these resellers, unauthorized authentics, man. And on this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all, teaching y'all really a couple methods of how you can do this. Now, just to show y'all, like, I got some Yeezys here, like these old Yeezys, man. I've been had these Yeezys. These was the gray Boost. Then I got these, the tan. These some old, but I got some V2s. But I just wanted to show y'all, like, I didn't got every pair of Yeezys. I had every pair of Yeezys, from the V2s, everything, man. But the way I got them was through a Chinese reseller. Now, they make everything in China. So I hope y'all know they make everything in China. But what happens in certain families, they take the technique, they take the method on creating a shoe, and then they go start their own businesses. And companies like AliExpress, Alibaba, they have DH Gate too. That's where these sellers go. And a lot of people are doing this, man. A lot of people know about this method, but I'm just sharing it with y'all just in case y'all wanna, sell some Yeezys. The thing is, you buying them for half off. You get the box, receipt, everything. You get everything like the real Yeezys, but they half off. And they unauthorized authentics in in correct term. But if you sell them to somebody, they wouldn't even know. So my method. All right, let's get into the method. So I'm gonna leave the seller in the description, right? You go on there, you browse her site. She got everything, man. Those human races, the Balenciagas. You'll be surprised how much stuff out here is authorized authentics, or unauthorized authentics. I'm sorry, UA shoes. A lot of the shit you see on social media, people getting got, man. And it's not even that they getting got. It's just that they not getting it from the way that you think they are. You know what I'm saying? They buying it from a Chinese marketplace and selling it to you for retail. So the way to do this is you buy the shoes from the seller. You can start a drop shipping business. You can start a drop shipping business on Shopify. Now, if you start a drop shipping business on Shopify, you take pictures of all the shoes you want, and you upload them on the website. You upload them on your Shopify website, and you promote your website using Instagram ads and promos on Instagram. So if you see a big profile saying We doing promos or just hashtag promos. You'll find profiles doing promotions every day, and you go on there, you pay for a promotion, you get your site promoted, and you drive traffic. People buy your shoes, you make a profit. Now, you can also buy the shoes and sell them locally. Now you can get a network of people. If you know people that need the Yeezys, you can become the plug and be like, hey, I got the Yeezys now. Go through me. They this price. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, Yeezys retail at like $220 to $250. Like, they be in that range. But like when you buy them on a fresh drop, like from Adidas, but people go and then they resell them for a higher value, $500 to $1,000. Like it have been $1,000 plays made off Yeezys. Like, this shit is crazy. But they got a bunch of new shoes about to come out, like the basketball Yeezys and I think they call it the 700 VX Yeezys. Them about to go crazy with the resale game. So, one, you create a Shopify page. Two, you can create an Instagram page, a clothing page, get Instagram promotion. You need to drive traffic. That's the one thing you need to drive traffic. Another thing you could do is buy them and have them locally for different people. You know, promote yourself, maybe make some flyers, leave them at gas stations, leave them at barbershops, weed dispensaries if that's legal in your state. But you'll build a network like that of local people wanting to get your shoes. You can do it for consignment. You can buy them, take them to different stores in your area, and different retailers will co-sign them. Or you can just buy them and flip them. You could buy them and just flip them on eBay, flip them at your local boutique, you know, for more than what you paid for them. So the Yeezy, the sneaker resale game is so crazy. Like, you wouldn't expect. Like, so many people got unauthorized authentics because it come with the same exact box, same exact material. If you never seen a pair of Yeezys, if you didn't buy your Yeezys direct from Amazon, you probably got an unauthorized pair. And I want to say this too. It ain't nothing wrong with UA shoes, man. Like, people claim to be so unmaterialistic. You know what I'm saying? Anything that seems fake to them, they just call it, oh, it's fake. But you're unmaterialistic. Like, it'd be crazy. People be claiming so hard, oh, I don't care about material shit, I don't care about clothes, but everything gotta be directly from source. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is how Gucci and, you know what I'm saying, Ralph Lauren, this is how they think. They buy their shit, they buying their material for dirt cheap, and then they just putting a brand on it. You know what I'm saying? They buying it from the same people. They just put a brand on it, and then people, they can price a fucking $13 sweater, a $5 sweater to make. They can charge $800 because of a brand, and you're not paying for the sweater. You paying for the brand. So you sold on a brand. So I gotta make a whole video about the science of selling, because selling, when you want to sell stuff, you know, you don't even have to have a product. The science of selling is mental. You know, it's an emotional. You have to get into people's emotions and use certain trigger words, because you don't even need to have a product to sell shit. Like, you gotta just know how to get the product and connect the people and use the right words and how to connect. Like, selling is mental. It's emotional. You know what I'm saying? You have to understand that. But I'm gonna make a video about that. I don't want to get too off topic, but I'm gonna make a video about that soon, about how to sell the proper way. I might even do it right now after this video. But I just wanted to share how to get the Yeezys. Like I said, I'm gonna leave my connect. I'm gonna leave her link in the description. Check her out. She got everything. Balenciagas, Human Races, all of the new Yeezys is about to drop. And you can go on there. You even get the old Yeezys. Go in there, and she got everything. She got everything, and y'all can get right. So y'all need some extra money. Sell them Yeezys, man. Y'all gotta sell hot items. Shit that people want. You gotta know what people want at all times. Know what's about to pop at all times. And the Yeezys is about to go crazy. Them new Yeezys, even though people talk crazy about Kanye, they buy that man shoes. They gonna buy that man shoes. Let one celebrity wear them. Influencer marketing, man. So it's your boy Yon World. How to get all the new Yeezys. That's my video. Leave a like. I'm out. Peace.